Samsung is selling a wireless charger that will also sterilize your phone. This article kind of messed me up a little bit because I was like, oh, that's going to be a Samsung branded charger. But then you read it a little further, and it's actually some kind of Samsung partner. They sell it on their website. It's a company called ItFit, and it's just like sort of approved by them. It's their go-to. It's the one that they're retailing in certain regions. And it's the same concept as the phone soap thing that we featured, well, I guess it's a little while ago now. UVC is some powerful stuff, man. It can really kill some bad stuff. So that's good. And it can do so without some of the downsides of the traditional methods that you clean something. Like if you're using wipes, you got to throw them all out and buy them and do it relatively frequently and remember to do it. What I kind of like about these setups is it's also where you charge your phone. So this one actually has a wireless charger built into it. Mm-hmm. And so you can just drop it in there at night, close the lid, and wake up in the morning with a fully charged phone and a fully clean phone and really don't think about doing anything extra. Because your phone is disgusting, as we've talked about before. It's the reason that,
yes.
The reason that these things, yours especially.
Well.
And the reason that companies are expanding their portfolio in order to include devices like this. So this one claims it can kill up to 99% of bacteria within 10 minutes. And they're not the only ones. Samsung has said that this one will be perfect for your S20 Ultra, but also Zag, Invisible Shield, and Mophie they're working on their own versions of this thing as well. The Mophie UV sanitizer has room for a 6.9-inch device, and it can also sterilize objects like credit cards and earbuds. Well, any of these can do that. So this is an emerging area of the market. I still don't know if people are prepared to pay the price because for the most part, these things land between $50 and $100.
Right.
And is it worth it to people? And I've also heard the argument that, well, what happens? I mean, you're using it all day and then it's nasty again.
Yeah.
But I think the idea here is just you're doing something.
Yeah. But what about damage to the phone?
What type
it's basically like a tanning bed for your phone. So will it disrupt?
You worry about your phone getting a tan
screen?
There, Will?
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Yeah, maybe you're saying like long term, who's done the testing?
I mean, yeah, if you're
the phone soap stuff's been out for a while. I presume people have been using it for a period of time. But maybe you're right. Maybe at a certain point there's some sort of a issue that could arise. But everything I've read to this point seems to imply that the dangers of UVC are mostly to humans and less so to objects, whether it's boxes like the robot that we were talking about previously or phones for that matter. I think they're okay. But anyway, Samsung's retailing one. They believe in it. More people believe in it. I guess do something. Clean your phone somehow because it's disgusting.